Hey guys, we're back. Picked up a new Chevrolet truck. It was a Blazer, but someone cut it. They did pretty freaking good, if you ask me. I got the back seats of it. I don't know what that collar is, but I like it. Yeah, I was on the first run. We'll get it fixed though. It is not a TF2. SCX 10.2. All right, now let's get back to getting this thing fixed. Gotta fix the tire on it. But let's get it done. Let's go. And it's out. Alright. Set it back there. Take this loose. Alright, let's get tearing into this damn thing. That's for the grease, huh? See anything? It looks torqued. Yeah, maybe. Well, we'll put the ring of pin in it anyways. That's way too much. That's a nastiness, huh? Alright, well, let's pull it apart. Ugh. I don't know if I see anything. Can you guys see anything wrong? Yeah, maybe. Right there. Hold on, camera. No camera ain't gonna do it. Well, yeah, there's probably a couple of teeth ate and all. And bearings look like they have ever been replaced, so. Well, we'll clean her up and put new gears in. We'll be back, guys. New gear and spool. See if I get this thing to focus. There's a 30T, 8T. Yeah, I know I messed up, but I'll put it in. But that's a part. Put a new one of those on it. I should clean it up, but I'll put it together and see if it works. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys. We got it back together, so I just gotta put the shocks on. Then we'll take it out and test it out and see how it does. And that's what we need to change next.